Hi, I'm Mrs. Bruce, and I'm going to share with you how to play the game I Spy to practice your math fact fluency. So in this game, all you need to play are the deck of cards that were sent home with you from school. To begin playing, you'll want to remove all of the face cards. So the jack, the queen, the king, the joker, the ace, and put those all to the side. What you're left with are the number cards in both red and black. Next, you will take those number cards and lay them face up in a grid-like format so that you can see here on my computer screen. So either on a table or on the floor would be the best. Then you're ready to play. So for this I Spy addition game, you and a partner, or it could be a small group of people, are going to play to try to find two cards that make a sum of something. Here's how it works. I spy two cards with a sum of 10. So the player would look at our grid of cards and find two cards that make a sum of 10. If they're correct, he or she gets to keep those cards. That would go back and forth between all the people that are playing. When all the cards in your grid are gone, you count the number of cards each person has, and whoever has the most cards wins the game of I Spy for that time. You can also, so that was for addition, you can also challenge yourself with addition and do I Spy with 3 add-ins. That's 3 numbers. So it would go something like, I spy 3 cards with a sum of 15. And that other person would have to find 3 cards from the grid that make a sum of 15. You also could try subtraction. Same thing, except this time instead of asking for a sum, you're going to ask for the difference in 2 cards. That's the answer when you subtract. And if you're ready for it, you can even try multiplication. And in that, you would look for 2 cards that have a product. That's the answer. A product of maybe 15. And they have to find the 2 cards when multiplied together make 15. Let's not forget the learners that are still learning numbers or number sense. They can too play I Spy. You practice that with identifying numbers. So you could play it as I spy the number 7. And then the next person goes to spy a different number. You can even challenge them a little bit to say, I spy the number that is 2 more than 4 or 1 less than 4. These are all ways that you can play I Spy at home with your family and friends to get better at your math fact fluency. Have fun playing I Spy.